व्हाट्सअप एवरीवन, दैट्स बॉय गमजी एंड वेलकम टू अवर चैनल अगेन। आप देख सकते हैं कि हम आ गए हैं एडमिंटन में कार शो के ऊपर। दिस इज़ ऑटो एक्सपो 2025। बहुत सारी एग्जॉटिक गाड़ियाँ देखेंगे, मोटर बाइक्स देखेंगे, ईवी गाड़ियाँ देखेंगे। अनव इज़ विद अस, ही इज़ सुपर एक्साइटेड। उपासना इज़ विद अस, शी इज़ सुपर एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट। So this is from Chevrolet Silverado EV. I have seen this truck in Calgary, but अंदर बैठ के थोड़ा सा different experience आता है इसका. It's huge truck, and this looks like the future of shipment. जैसे FedEx है या Amazon के trucks आते हैं. Wow, this is the beast. This is the beast. So now it's time to sit in the Mustang, our dream car, मेरी और अनव दोनों की. Anav is showing me all the features and functions. It's kind of cool. Anav said this vehicle is kind of cool, but this is our dream car. बहुत ही प्यारी गाड़ी है, अंदर बैठ के प्रॉपर फील आती है. It's a muscle car, it's a sports car. हम आए थर्सडे, रश बहुत कम है. अदरवाइज अगर फ्राइडे या सैटरडे को आता है ना वीकेंड पे, तो इस गाड़ी को बैठने के लिए लाइन अप होता है, लाइन अप. So finally we have got the chance. Okay, so now I am on the driver's seat. This vehicle is amazing. Although the hood is open, उतनी फील नहीं आ रही सामने देखने की, but still it's a car show anyways. Gear shift मैनुअल है. मैनुअल चलाई हुई गाड़ी को मुझे पता नहीं कितने साल हो गए हैं. I will have to, if I'll go with manual car, I would have to, पुरानी यादें ताज़ी करनी पड़ेगी मैनुअल शिफ्ट के लिए. So बट अगर आप एक मसल कार चला रहे हैं तो एक मैनुअल गाड़ी चलाएंगे तो फिर ये एक्चुअल मज़ा आता है. स्टीयरिंग व्हील भी बहुत एग्रेसिव बनाया हुआ उन्होंने. दिस इज़ 2025. बहुत ही प्यारी गाड़ी है. इट्स 5.2 लीटर आई बिलीव सो. इट्स अ हैमी इंजन. रंबलिंग साउंड आता है इस गाड़ी का जब ये चलती है. तो रिसेंटली हमने जो ब्रोंको स्पोर्ट्स चलाई है उसके बाद तो मेरा मन जो है ना वो मेरा मन भर गया है ब्रोंको से. बट दिस इज़ द फुल फ्लैज ब्रोंको. इट्स डिफरेंट दैन द स्पोर्ट्स वन. स्पोर्ट्स वन थोड़ी सी छोटी गाड़ी है, स्टिफ गाड़ी है. आई हैवंट ड्राइव दिस वन. एक बार मैंने चलाई है, डीलरशिप पे गए थे ब्रोंको देखने के लिए. आई हैव ड्राइव दिस कार वंस. जो ये वाला ना फ्रेमलेस डोर्स, आई लव इट. स्पेशली ये वाली ब्रोंको बहुत ही प्यारी लग रही है मेरे को. काफ़ी कस्टम की हुई है इन्होंने. ब्रोंको के साथ स्टीयरिंग व्हील लुक्स गुड. ओह मैन, लुक एट दिस. द होल थिंग इज़ रीडिज़ाइंड. अमेजिंग. सीटिंग भी बहुत अग्रेसिव लुक है. पीछे इट्स अ 5 सीटर कार. ऊपर देखें तो ये लैचेस खुल के सारे जो आपका रूफ है वो ओपन हो जाती है. तो बहुत अमेजिंग गाड़ी है. तो ये रही सिंपल वाली ब्रोंको और ये रही ब्रोंको रैप्टर। देखते हैं कि अगर ये रैप्टर है या कोई और मॉडल है। यस, इट्स ब्रोंको रैप्टर। ये आपको पड़ेगी जी $1,29,000। ये मस्टैंग की ईवी गाड़ी है, इट्स मैक ई। इंडिया की बात करें तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये वाला मॉडल स्पेशली इंडिया में आया है। दिस इज़ द ईवी चार्जर। सो यहाँ पे ये गाड़ी चार्ज होती है एंड यहाँ पे आई थिंक इट्स अ फिंगर टच थिंग टू अनलॉक द व्हीकल। अगर इंडिया की बात करें तो ये वाली गाड़ी इंडिया में अभी नहीं आई है। बहुत सारी ईवी गाड़ियाँ इंडिया में नहीं है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द चार्जिंग थिंग। इंडिया में चार्ज करना, चार्जिंग स्टेशन होना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है इस पॉइंट पे, मे बी इन द फ्यूचर। बट यहाँ पे ये गाड़ी बहुत चल रही है। ये है टोयोटा की लैंड क्रूज़र। इस गाड़ी ने इंडिया में तो पूरी धमाल मचा रखी है। ये गाड़ी रोड प्रेजेंस जो है ना इस गाड़ी की, इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट। लेक्सिस की भी आई है GX 550, बट दिस कार इज़ समथिंग एल्स। वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड ही रिसेंटली गॉट हमर EV। ये वाला कलर बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है, रेड EV। दूर से ही दिख जाएगी गाड़ी। वैसे तो इस गाड़ी की प्रेजेंस, जो रोड प्रेजेंस है, इट्स रियली रियली गुड। गाड़ी दूर से दिख जाती है। हमर का जो कंसोल है ना बहुत ही सिंपल सा है, इट्स बिग ह्यूज हेयर। ये ड्राइव मोड बहुत सिंपल है, ये बहुत सिंपल लुकिंग है। बट जो उसकी लुक है ना, इट्स
What is this for? If you push it inside, the
light turns off. Yeah, it's connected here, enough. Once you close it, the light closes, right? Once you open it, light opens, right? डोर खोलने के लिए बहुत ही प्यारा सा हैंडल लगा हुआ है यहीं पे। आई लव इट।
हाँ देखो।
कंसोल अगर डैश की बात करें, इट्स ऑल स्क्रीन अप टू हियर ऑल द वे। वाओ, एंड देयर इज वन मोर स्क्रीन हियर। डायल है, ड्राइव मोड है। बहुत ही प्यारा सा लुक है, लग्जरी फील आ रही है गाड़ी में बैठ के। अगर पीछे की बात करें तो इट्स लाइक फुल फ्लेज 8 सीटर व्हीकल। अगर गाड़ी की बैक लुक की बात करें तो बहुत ही प्यारी अग्रेसिव लुक आती है गाड़ी की। If I get SUV, I'll prefer this vehicle. So one more thing guys, to adjust the seat, यहाँ पे डोर हैंडल के ऊपर इन्होंने सारा कंट्रोल दे दिया है सीट को एडजस्ट करने के लिए। यूजुअली यहाँ पे होता है, बट दिस कार हैज़ गॉट ओवर हियर। इतना एक्साइटेड हो गया ना अनव, आज हमारा सेल्समैन बना हुआ है। ही इज़ एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग अबाउट द कार। कौन सा बटन क्या काम कर रहा है, ट्रंक कैसे खुलता है, चार्ज कैसे होती है। ही इज़ टेलिंग अस एवरीथिंग। अभी तो वी आर स्टक इन ब्यूक, फोर्ड, शेवरले और अभी कैडिलैक। बहुत सारी एग्जॉटिक गाड़ियाँ अभी पड़ी हैं, दैट्स से लैम्बोर्गिनी, फरारीज और बहुत सारे मोटर बाइक्स की बारी आनी है। नेक्स्ट हॉल में जाएंगे, वहाँ पे आपको दिखाते हैं एग्जॉटिक व्हीकल्स। तो ये गाड़ी है जी इन्फिनिटी की। इन्फिनिटी की गाड़ियाँ टोयोटा और शेवरले के ऊपर की गाड़ियाँ आ जाती हैं, या फिर होंडा के ऊपर की गाड़ियाँ। दे आर मोर इन लग्जरी सेगमेंट, थोड़ी सी एक्सपेंसिव भी होती हैं। ये देखो इनके फीचर्स थोड़े से हिडन रखा हुआ है इन्होंने, क्लीन लुक दी गई है। यहाँ पे स्क्रीन है एंड दिस इज़ ऑल स्क्रीन एज वेल। बहुत ही प्यारी सी गाड़ी लग रही है मेरे को ये। इट्स मोर लाइक अ कैडिलैक फील इनसाइड, बट कैडिलैक से थोड़ी सी छोटी है ये गाड़ी। सो इन्फिनिटी एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जो अमेरिकन ब्रांड है बेसिकली। इंडिया में तो बहुत कम क्या बोलूँ कि इन्फिनिटी ये वाला ब्रांड इंडिया में तो आया ही नहीं अभी। इक्का दुक्का गाड़ियाँ होगी जो लोग कारनेट पे लेके आते हैं दुबई से, बट एज ए ब्रांड इंडिया में अभी ये लॉन्च नहीं हुआ है। गाड़ी की लुक देखो यार, QX80। इसको अगर आप यूट्यूब पे इसके रिव्यूज़ देखोगे ना गाड़ी के, पूरी जहाज़ गाड़ी है। अगर इन्फिनिटी का डायरेक्ट कंपटीशन की बात करूँ तो लिंकन एक बहुत प्यारा ब्रांड है, बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड है। इसका डायरेक्ट कंपटीटर है। जो इसकी गाड़ियों की शेप्स हैं या डिज़ाइन है वो लिंकन की गाड़ियों के साथ बहुत मैच करते हैं। ये गाड़ी है जेम्स बॉन्ड की। सॉरी आई एम हैविंग कैंडी एज वेल। मजराटी जो ना जेम्स बॉन्ड चलाता है अपनी गाड़ियों में, अपनी फिल्मों में, गाड़ियों में। तो ये जी फरारी, लुक एट दैट, एक्सोटिक। और ये रही हमारी गाड़ी। तो चलिए गए, इस गाड़ियों के बाद चलते हैं सीधा मोटर बाइक्स देखने, और इसके बाद चलेंगे टेस्ट ड्राइव के लिए। अगर लाइनअप छोटा हुआ वी विल गो फॉर द टेस्ट ड्राइव फॉर EV व्हीकल्स। गाड़ी में मैं अपना ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस उठाने आया था क्योंकि इट वाज द कार, अंदर ज़रूरत नहीं थी इसलिए लेके नहीं गया, और फ़ोन को चार्ज करने के लिए आया था 5-10 मिनट्स के लिए। फिर हम जाएंगे सीधा EV की टेस्ट ड्राइव करने। लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स। ओह लुक एट दैट, पीपल आर हैविंग सो मच फन। टेस्ट ड्राइव तो ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए ना, एकदम से ब्रेक, एकदम से रेस। तो गाइज नाउ वी आर गोइंग फॉर द टेस्ट ड्राइव फाइनली। एक वेवर फॉर्म था बहुत बड़ा, वो फिल आउट किया, लाइसेंस दिया अपना, ड्राइवर्स लाइसेंस, पिक्चर क्लिक करवाई है उन्होंने। वो सारा कुछ होने के बाद 2 गाड़ियाँ हमें मिली हैं टेस्ट ड्राइव करने के लिए। एक सिल्वराडो है जिसके अंदर हम बैठे थे, जिसको अनम ने वो सारी सीट वगैरह टिल्ट करके एक बेड अच्छा सा बना दिया था, वो वाला सिल्वराडो। और दूसरी है वॉक्सवैगन की बज़, बहुत ही यूनिक लुकिंग कार है। इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ मैटाडोर, जो आधुनिक तकनीक से बनी हुई मैटाडोर।
Nowadays there's so much stuff. Yeah. So they put the
Okay.
brake on. You twist this one, and
This
you'll
one?
see you go to drive. And
Oh,
you know
cool.
what? You know one pedal braking. If you did it again, it would go to B mode. Germans call
okay,
that
okay.
one pedal driving. They call it
Yes.
brake mode.
Yes, yes. I have that system in my vehicle, so I know a little bit
Okay.
about that. Yeah, okay.
Okay, you ready to go?
Ready? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a very cool little car. Looks cool. Drives cool.
Yeah. It's
Lots
like
of room in the. See how much room in the third seat? It's amazing. Third row is even more. Best one around, really.
yeah.
So you're gonna go along the row here,
Okay.
and then a big U-turn, and then a U-turn again.
Okay. Nice.
Oh my god.
Oh. wow. Wow.
Not like the old Volkswagen minivans, huh?
oh no no
Is
no
that
no.
fast?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I was going like
Oh, it's a touch.
Touch.
Oh, cool. Look at this feature. You know,
that's,
so you
that's
can-
off, right? You
so
can't
you
see
can-
through it.
So right here, if you touch it, it's opaque, right?
Yeah.
It's now look. So cool, right?
You wanted to do it Silverado?
Yes. Amazing. This is a cute looking vehicle. The drive is so good. I just love it. Electric vehicle, you know, no vibrations, nothing. Volkswagen, $80,000 Canadian.
the car show.
Yeah, exactly the same one.
उतार के,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can fold the bed, you know,
Yeah.
so you can have more stuff in it. Yeah, it's the same truck.
And that comes out.
Yes.
They have, they
Yes,
have
yes,
the-
And
we
does
we
the-
saw that.
The little flip. You want to see that?
Yeah.
And then it flips this way too. There it goes.
Okay.
Try it. Whoa, it's high for you.
Easy. Is it loud? Okay, now let's go. Okay.
Now it's gonna come on. It has a.
Oh,
camera
the
instead.
camera. Nice. So, wow, this is a comfortable
Comfy?
vehicle.
Yeah, nice.
It's very comfortable. Seats are bucket seats. Yes, I like it. Okay,
So you
so
pull and then down.
pull and down.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are in drive mode.
Drive mode. Yeah.
Okay, so seat belt on. Anab, you ready? Excited?
कार में चल.
Why? Okay. It feels a little heavy. Yeah, than the Volkswagen. Oh, it's in
Oh,
the.
it's in very heavy brake mode. Yeah.
It's a had brake mode. Okay. Oh yes, yes,
Huge.
yes.
Yeah, it's a little heavy.
Drive is very comfortable. It feels like you're driving a big truck.
Oh.
You know, that feel.
Yeah. Have you seen? Did you look underneath these cars yet? It's flat. There's nothing there. It's just a piece of metal. When we get out, get on your knees and look underneath. It's cool.
So we'll go floor
Oh, you
here.
went too far. Yeah. No, that's fine.
Okay, here.
Yep.
Okay, let's do that. Are you guys ready?
Launch mode.
Okay, launch mode. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wow,
Pick up.
wow.
Now Hummer is going.
Now Hummer is going.
Lights on.
He's in a launch mode now.
Yeah, Hummers are great for launch modes. Oh, that was so much fun. You know, अब लग रहा है कि मैं कार शो पे आया हूँ. You know, you sit in the cars while in the standing inside. You know, then you drive those cars. You know, जो अंदर देखी हैं वही आप गाड़ियाँ चला रहे हो. It feels different level. Silverado मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. The size of the vehicle, the drive of the vehicle, it's so solid. जो बस चलाई है वो तो इट्स लाइक अ टॉय कार लगी मुझे. बट एनी हाउ you can't compare, right? Silverado के साथ वो बस को आप compare नहीं कर सकते, but if you're talking about the Silverado, big car है, बहुत ही मज़ेदार कार है. I would say कि 10 out of 10.
Wagon wheel and Volkswagen blue ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਲੱਗੀ. Like it's one of my favorite. I'll say 50 out of 50. Like it was so good. The window just to like flap over. Like, yeah, we don't even need to like open the door, just press. Yeah, like it was so good.
I'd say it was a wonderful ride for the Volkswagen. I didn't expect it that to be that comfortable and smooth. It is definitely like a van, but it was a comfortable, luxurious van. But my vote is toward Silverado.
तो गाइज आपकी पुरानी यादें मैं ताज़ी करवा रहा हूँ अभी दिखाता हूँ आपको एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़. लुक दैट कावासाकी. आई थिंक दिस इज़ 500, दैट्स 750. मैं 350 ढूंढ रहा हूँ जो इंडिया में बहुत पॉपुलर था. दिस इज़ 650 एज वेल. दैट्स 185. दैट इज़ 350. इंडिया में ये बहुत 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 पॉपुलर बाइक है यामाहा का 350. तो ऐसा ही बाइक अगर आप टूरिंग के लिए देख रहे हैं तो दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट बाइक फॉर टूरिंग. ये है GS. मेरे ख्याल से ये GS वाला बाइक निखिल बाइक के पास है, जो बाइकर निखिल है ना, उनके पास ये वाला बाइक है. रियलिटी में बहुत बड़ा बाइक है. लुक एट द टैंक ऑफ दिस बाइक. दिस इज़ आई गेस 2025. अगर आप बाइक के ऊपर बैठे हो तो ये वाली लुक आने वाली है. इट्स ह्यूज. So Anav is sitting inside a Cybertruck. It feels like उसका जो ड्रीम है ना वो पूरा हो गया. Anav, dream come true? Yes, dream come true. I want to sit on the other side. Yes. So Cybertruck में बैठने लगे guys. Let's see.
You, look,
Wow.
look, bro.
This is
Look,
totally different.
look.
वाओ. पूरी स्क्रीन लगी हुई है अंदर आके दिखाते हैं इनको. इट्स अ फुल स्क्रीन. बहुत ही सिंपल लुकिंग सी लुक आ रही है यार, बट इट फील्स सो गुड, राइट. देखो बिल्कुल टोटली एक ही स्क्रीन है अंदर. कोई बटन्स नहीं है जैसे आपने बहुत सारी गाड़ी में देखे होंगे, बहुत सारे यहाँ पे बटन्स लगे हैं एंड ऑल दैट. बिल्कुल सिंपल लुकिंग सा ट्रक है.
And there's a light over.
इट्स अ लाइट, या.
The light is turning on. And
So
this back
ये-
door is open.
हाँ, क्योंकि मम्मा इज सिटिंग इन द बैक.
There's a
वो-
item at the back here as well.
Yes. And look at the steering wheel. It's so छोटा सा steering wheel है.
You can cut it from the top and it will look insane.
Mm-hmm.
And do you know sit in the Tesla?
Yes, let's go
No, one
after that. So Anav सारा explain कर रहा है because उसने इसकी YouTube video देखी हुई है. So Anav, how do you feel right now?
Good, like my life is whole like done. Like
I'm so happy.
You're happy?
Speechless.
no,
Are you speechless?
I'm just like thinking if I was 16, then I would drive this car like right now, like a test drive.
He's the 21st century techie, future techie.
And
future.
look,
Hmm.
look,
Look at this, guys.
the
We still have another screen at the back.
Yeah.
So to update how far
Oh,
we
there
are.
is a screen. There's a back screen as well. to update the passenger. अपने हिसाब से वो अपना क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल वगैरह कर सकते हैं. अगर हीटेड सीट है, they can control it over there as well. Like lots of controls over the screens.
And
It's amazing.
Also, कितना
Oh,
दूर
did
है हम
you-
destination से?
Did you turn on the air condition? Yeah, enough data. Yeah. Okay. ये हैंडल बार भी बहुत ही सिंपल लुकिंग है. You click over here and then windows open. I mean door open. Amazing. Wow. ये है असली व्हीकल तो है ना. Amazing. Okay guys, so right now we are going for a test drive for Model Y, Tesla Model Y. अभी Model Y, so अभी वो गाड़ी रिलीज नहीं हुई है. It's a pre-booking going on, but we got a chance to test it drive Model Y. Just look at that. Let's do it.
Right.
Oh,
So that's
cool.
the cool part.
Cool.
So, but since we're using the key card,
Yes.
it's right about here, the NFC chip. You tap it right there, and then it's
And then you open it.
Perfect.
Cool.
Perfect.
Enough. You
So I'm
sit
gonna
in the
pop
back.
The passenger side. If
Okay,
that's
I know.
Okay.
yeah. And then if you guys want to pop inside.
Okay. Let's do it. Wow.
Mama, can I help?
Have you driven a Tesla before? Or anything
Mama,
like
can
that?
I help?
No.
Got it. No problem. I can run you through the instructions
Wow.
and stuff like that. So go ahead and set your seat up first. The controls are just at the bottom over here.
Okay.
Got that.
Wow.
So you do have the panoramic window and everything like that. You have ambient lighting. You even have automatic climate control keys.
Oh, cool.
Your storages are over here. You have your cup holders here, and even more storage just under here. There's a screen back here that you can pair up to 2 headphones, wireless devices. Just listen, watch Netflix, YouTube. If you have accounts like that, you can control the climate control back there as well too.
Wow.
Pretty fancy stuff.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So-
They have improved a lot, eh?
Quite a bit.
Wow.
So, is your seat okay? Are you in a good spot?
Yes. Yeah.
Perfect. And it's gonna adjust your mirror for you.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so cool.
Right?
Nice.
Yeah. So
Nice.
that's motorized there.
Wow.
And if you're happy with your right one,
Yeah.
Yep,
That's fine.
perfect.
Yeah.
So then we'll exit that. Just so you can have an example too. If you wanted to adjust this, you'd click into steering and do the same thing with that. So it goes up and down too. So the cool part about all these motors, you can set it to different profiles. So you can have your partner's profile, you can have your profile, and
Okay.
when he's ready to drive, you can set his profile too.
Cool.
Cool. And if you're okay with that, you can press X.
Okay.
So just gonna navigate you through. So your headlights are automatic, your high beam can be automatic, your wiper blades are automatic. You have a bunch of other different controls here too. Yeah, and then so we'll put this here for now, but these are also wireless chargers. You can put one phone here, one phone here.
Okay.
Both wireless charging. Key card needs to be here if you're going to use the key card. So if you put your foot on the brake, you already have it there. You can see this.
Okay.
So with your foot on the brake, swipe this upwards for me. Perfect. And you put it into drive. And then swipe this downwards for me. Now you put it in reverse. So you
Wow.
have your rear view camera and your side cameras. And you can even take a look at the camera. The camera's pretty high quality.
Wow.
Press park for me. Yep. And then now you got the car in park. So if your phone was the key, all you need to do, you don't need to press a button to turn it off. All you need to do, put it in park and walk away from the car. The car will realize the phone is going away, so it'll lock itself and it'll shut down the car.
Wow.
Automatic. Everything automatic.
Wow.
You have heated seats. You also have vented seats as well too.
Yes,
Yeah.
I can feel that.
You can feel that, right?
Yes.
Right?
It's
And
colder. The seat is cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I was
Yeah.
saying you already know everything.
I bet.
Oh, yeah.
I've closed my ears because he
So good.
he's confident.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
I should let him road test this. Just a demo drive this for me.
No.
So this is our GPS. It works with Google as well, but it's
Okay.
a bit of Tesla, so it'd be very familiar, easy to kind of adopt and just get into. So what we can do here is I'm actually going to put a coffee shop that's very close by. We'll do a bit of a loop and stuff like that.
Okay.
And then we'll even get autopilot kind of running itself. So if you're ready, I think I'm good to go. Easy on, easy off is the best way to control that. As soon as you let go of the accelerator, that's when you'll feel the regen braking. And so
Okay.
it'll want to slow down and stop right away. Like
Okay.
I said, easy on, easy off, best way to control it.
So one pedal.
One
thing.
pedal kind of, exactly,
okay.
exactly. And you should be already kind of familiar with that.
Yes,
thing.
I have
Should
that
be good.
from in my car.
Awesome. So if you're ready, we can put it in reverse and then let's slowly back
Okay.
up.
So reverse.
Sweet. Yeah, and then we'll slowly back out and get out of here.
So which way we are going?
So we're actually going to exit over there, so you might need
Okay.
to turn. Yep, perfect, perfect. We'll wait that guy. Very cool. Sweet. And then when you're ready to switch, put it in.
Yes.
Yep, perfect.
Perfect.
And we'll exit over that way.
Drive mode.
Yeah. And we'll make a right turn here.
Okay. We'll wait for him.
Perfect. When it's safe, we're good to go.
I was in the Tesla one today.
Yes.
Awesome.
Anav is even happier than us.
So it's gone through quite a bit in terms of suspension wise. It used to be very stiff and stuff like that. It used to be very stiff. You feel every bump, and it's kind of very noisy because it's so stiff. But I think they did a really good job at refreshing this and making it a lot more softer, a lot more quieter. It's a bit more comfortable in terms of ride quality now.
So
Yeah.
for the braking system, right? The
Yep.
one pedal thing. Can you change the intensity of the braking?
You cannot.
Oh,
You
okay.
used to be able to
Okay.
way back then, but unfortunately they kind
Not-
of set it as it is now.
I see.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
see.
yeah. Perfect. So we'll do that, and then if you want, let's keep going. We'll curve, follow this right there. If you want, you can accelerate just a little bit. Here.
Little bit,
Yeah,
hey?
go for it.
Oh my goodness! Wow! Wow!
Flying, right?
Wow!
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you can do it one more time if you want.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, and then do me a favor. So let's do autopilot.
Okay.
See this button right here? Press that. Yep. And then let go of the wheel. And you can put just a little bit of accelerator, then let go, just so we can. If you touch it, it's gonna.
Okay, it's gonna
Yes,
cancel. Okay.
Perfect. As soon hands off, you can hands off it.
Okay.
If anything, you can just hover your foot on the brake. You don't need to press it; it'll control itself.
So I
It
need
will
to press the accelerator or no?
Nope, you don't need to.
Okay,
It's,
no.
it's okay for now. So
Okay.
let it take care of itself. Perfect.
Oh my goodness!
Indicator?
Indicator, automatic.
Don't worry.
Because we have given the map.
It'll make
Yes.
the turn. It'll make
Yes.
the turn and everything.
You don't even know all this car. I already know it.
Oh man, that is insane. Oh, it's changing lane as well.
Yep. And it sees cars in the blind spot, so if there's a car there, it won't do the lane
My
change.
Take
goodness.
care, Papa.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
Like watching videos and driving this,
Experiencing? Different.
experiencing it's totally different. It's totally different. It's
Totally
mind blowing.
different. Yeah. So the car is actually going to stop by this coffee stop, and it's actually going to park itself. So it parks itself, puts it in park, and you can just get up and walk away, and then it'll lock itself too. So everything's very autonomous and automated.
My goodness.
So boom, it took you to your spot. Give it a few seconds, and it's going to put it in park.
You're sitting in the future.
100%.
It's-
See, and it's parked,
Wow.
and you just walk away. The car will lock itself.
Wow.
Insane, right?
That's insane.
That's like sick.
I can't believe that.
Yeah.
I have goosebumps now.
yeah. So again, it works best if you give it a destination. So we'll give it a
Okay.
destination to go back to the expo center.
Okay.
When you're ready, put your foot on the brake. Let's put it into drive.
On the brake.
Yeah, put in
and-
drive, and then when it's safe, you can peel out, and then we can turn on autopilot as well
Okay.
too. Yeah. Perfect. And then we'll go all the way down. You can even let it do it, so you can engage autopilot.
engage autopilot,
Yeah, just press
okay.
it. Perfect, and it's gonna do itself. There you go.
It's
And you can look at
100% autopilot now.
100% autopilot.
Oh my goodness.
So the thing is, the one thing is you're still 100% liable for this. You're still in charge. If it does anything weird, you're supposed to press the brakes and take control of it
I
if it
see,
does
I
anything
see.
weird. So that's the thing, right? So even if it gets in an accident, because you're responsible, you're supposed to be paying attention. You know, that's the liability.
I
portion
see.
of
I'm
it.
not. I can't go sleep. You know.
You cannot. And plus, there's a camera here that's watching you. So that's the thing. If you take your eyes off for too long, the car
Okay.
will get angry at you, and it'll tell you,
Ah,
please
okay.
look, please pay attention.
I
and
see.
everything.
I see.
Yeah. So it forces you to pay attention to everything. Just
What?
because safety is our biggest thing. We still want everyone to be safe. We want everyone to be comfortable and amazed, but still
Yes.
safe.
Yes.
Yeah.
But that is amazing. It's
right.
when it's turning by itself. It's signaling.
Yeah. Just
by
wait till it
itself,
goes on
you
the
know?
highway.
Oh man.
It's gonna go off to Gretzky Avenue, I think, over there, and you'll
So
see too.
stop sign.
Yeah. It's
See,
good.
Anu, are you taking seatbelt off? No, right? Okay. Sit properly. Okay.
So it's good.
Wow, it's so human-like. Like it's going,
Yeah,
looking. You know.
It's paying attention,
Yeah.
just trying to make sure when it's the right time to go.
Wow.
Because it's AI based. Yeah. So it's AI based and it's going to kind of control itself.
Wow. It feels like it's better driver than me.
So I'm actually from Vancouver, and
Okay.
I've driven this quite a lot in terms of like even downtown Vancouver traffic. I do actually think it's better than a lot of drivers in Vancouver.
Oh man,
Yeah.
that is amazing.
Right?
Amazing. I'm super happy.
Yeah. Good. I'm glad you guys got to experience this. I think
Wow.
this is really, really cool. Yeah, and this is our refresh model. So they recently came out with this revised
I love
model
this
not too
car.
long ago. Like you said, we're taking pre-orders and everything like that.
Yes.
There is a launch version, I think, which has the launch badging and everything, meaning it's like the first couple thousand of the lot and everything.
Yeah.
I think that's around closer to like 80,000, but you get FSD with it. That's one of its perks, and then you keep that. There's no subscription base or anything.
Okay.
Yeah, that's part of it, which is valued normally at 15,000.
Right.
I think you also get to choose the color of your car, the interior
I've seen
color,
that.
and you get to choose
I've
the
seen
wheels of
that.
what you
I
want
see,
to.
I see.
So
So
like
80,000 full package.
I think around there. I gotta
Okay.
I gotta
I
retalk,
see.
but you're looking around there for
Okay.
the launch.
I see.
But if you're looking for just a regular one with no FSD base model,
Okay, guys, so we just drove Tesla Model Y. Oh, it was so good, especially the automatic system. And now we are in the exotic car section. Look at the Urus, and look at this guy in between. Lambos. Oh, look at another Lambo. ये गाड़ी जो मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं ना, ये है जी गाड़ियों की रानी, अंबानी साहब की गाड़ी.
Guys, look. How do we open this? There's a little button here, but this is everything. The Corvette doesn't let you get out. How will you get out? This, how? And this is where we get-
Okay guys, so ये था हमारा कार शो का vlog. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, make sure you guys subscribe, like and share it. बहुत सारे vlogs आने वाले हैं फोटोग्राफी रिलेटेड, बहुत सारे vlogs वेडिंग फोटोग्राफी रिलेटेड आने वाले हैं, वीडियोग्राफी रिलेटेड, या फिर हमारी डेली लाइफस्टाइल जो हम कनाडा में रह के गुजर बसर कर रहे हैं. तो वो सारे ब्लॉग्स देखते रहें. मेक श्योर यू गाइस लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल. रिसेंटली बहुत सारी वीडियोस मैं अपलोड कर चुका हूँ जो पुरानी वीडियोस थी. बहुत सारी नई वीडियोस जो हैं वो आने वाली हैं. तो गाइस मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.